think now we beefing. Nigga come slide, stop tweeting. Had to quick draw cause I thought he was reaching. We in his bushes, they know we be creeping. Don't want a match, little mood to be chiefin'. We really work with that stick. Pass a little Joe, he gon' slide on your strip. If I see my op, then I'm flushing his whip. He say he spittin', we know that he bluff. If I dog on my dog, boy, you know I'ma crush him. Heavy artillery like we from Russia. Seen a op on his way, he got bust like a gush. Got the Drake in the back, it be sounding like us. Number 5 in the back, a big bro tryin' dump. The odds they be lacking like it ain't about nothing. Every time that we slide, everybody start running. Don't be told no stick, they capping. Really move walk with that stick, Michael Jackson. KGSGA, we all about that action. Plug got raw, told him stop with that tax. Yo, man got hit, told him stop with that act. This G-Lock 19 break him up like a fraction. Free T up the road, now my brother, he maxin'. Cutter came home, told him stop with that crashing. See me a lick, I'ma bag it. Hop on the car, bullets hit him like maggots. Yo, brother, he gay, I can tell he a faggot. Careful gang, stain game, we really have it. Spin they block every day, I be ready to trash him. Car, he with me, I tell him go bag. My plug, he a Muslim, Osama bin Laden. If he diggin' this sweet bullets flying like dragons. We tryna spin round their way. We tryna spin round their way. Play with my brother, get shot in your face. Bro got a Glock, he just caught a new case. I was thinking it's sweet till they ass get erased. Shawty was fast, I had to go chase him. Put down my mask, I be feeling like Jason. Tell my brothers we bout to be rich, just be patient. I really stand on the strip, I ain't high. Front line, we really work with them irons. Mad time, you try to slide, then you done. False 5, now all his brothers keep crying. You ain't a trapper, boy, stop all that line. Steve gon' drop about 10, I ain't lying. My white boy geeking like when we gon' slide. We went to his house and he ain't come outside. No cap. Y'all. Hey, Kevo gang, stay gang, man. Y'all know how we bombing it. I'm sick and I'm still in the stew. Got more crack on the way. Drop shit back to back. No cap.